What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video with Destroyer Grid Productions, and in today's video we are going to be doing some stuff with the Challenger here. We've got a bunch of interior pieces from DynaPerformance. It's all carbon fiber. It's basically inlay stuff, but it is real carbon fiber. So it's going to be pieces, instead of sending all my interior trim out to companies to have it all, resurfaced with carbon fiber, I just went ahead and did this. In case in the future I don't want carbon fiber, I can just pull this stuff off and have my original trim. So basically here's everything that we're going to need for the interior install. We have some rags over here. This is not quick detailer. This is just soap and water in a bottle. So I'm going to be spraying that on, cleaning it off with the microfiber towels, making sure that my interior is nice and clean, ready to go for the adhesive to be stuck onto the interior trim. All right, and in today's video, we're going to be getting rid of the brushed steel look. As you can see, let me grab my light here. This is all brushed steel, so we're going to be getting rid of that today. And we're going to be putting in carbon fiber. We're going to get rid of that right there, which is fake carbon fiber. As you can see, does not give off the same look as these little inlays here. So we're going to be getting rid of that. This is all going to be carbon fiber right here. Up into here is going to be carbon fiber. Every single piece that you see is basically going to be a carbon fiber overlay, but it's going to be real carbon fiber adhesed on to the actual trim itself. So yeah, it's going to look really good. And if you guys are curious what kind of lighting I use for my videos, this thing is amazing. You can adjust all of your lighting that you need. You can do a warm, you can do a light temperature in the room. Very nice light. But yeah, we're going to be getting rid of all of that stuff and installing the DynaPerformance interior kit. I am very excited. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, so let's get into it. Let's show you guys the pieces. Let's show you guys the quality and everything that goes with DynaPerformance when you guys order a kit through them. Okay, so here are all the pieces out of the packaging. Carbon fiber looks really good. The outside laminate that they use looks really good. It's nice and shiny, looks very clean. So as you can see here, let's put it on the actual carbon fiber. It's carbon fiber. Wow, I lined that up perfectly. It's real carbon fiber. So as you guys can see, looks really good. So far, I'm really impressed. Just hope that the adhesive actually holds up for this stuff and it goes on without too much fuss. Show you guys all the rest of the pieces here. It's gonna look really good. Once this is all installed, this interior is going to completely change. It's gonna look really, really good. So I'm excited to get this stuff on. Hopefully you guys are excited, and if you guys have been interested in this kind of stuff, then I can maybe ease your mind once this stuff gets installed. Hopefully it is a quick and easy install and everything goes perfect. Just not too sure how these are gonna look when they're in there. Hopefully they line up perfectly. Hopefully everything is covered and it looks really good. Let's get to cleaning the interior. Make sure that you guys get all the grime, all the dirt off and everything so the adhesive goes on very easily. And let's get to that. So first things first, we're gonna get this piece off, and I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver with a towel in between so I don't break anything or, mess up the actual piece underneath. So we're gonna get underneath this here. Just kind of pry at it a little bit, lift up the adhesive, I just pull that right off. Very important to do that with a towel on here because you do not want to screw up all of your underlying interior there. All the adhesive came up. Very nice though. That's really cool. Let me show you guys. So all the adhesive came up and it looks really good. I forgot actually what this looked like underneath, but everything pulled up. And now it's time to get this all cleaned up and make sure that we have a proper surface for our adhesive. Okay, now that we have that piece taken out, everything's good to go. We're gonna go ahead, use our towels here, use our wash. We're gonna get everything cleaned up. And as soon as that is done, you guys can join me for the install because that's the fun part. Okay, everything has been cleaned. Everything is prepped, ready to go. Let's grab our pieces and let's start throwing them in. Okay, so I have this kind of mocked up where it's going to be, and as you can see, it doesn't cover everything here. I kind of like it though, because there is the accent here along the side. The door handles are still that color, which is nice. I'm sure that this is going to still be there. It pretty much just covers up all the brushed steel. So yeah, I like it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Unless they make something that does cover all of it in advance. I don't know if they do or not right now. This is what they sent me to install, so we're working with what we got here. I do like it though. I do like that there is some character, there is some accents still visible, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw this all in. This is 1, 2, 3 pieces right here, so we're gonna go ahead and get these all in and see how it looks. All right, piece number 1 went in really nice. On to the next piece. Hey, we've got it. It's done. It looks gorgeous. I love it. DynaPerformance, great product here, and it looks really good. I feel like everything feels good to the touch, looks good aesthetically, everything runs together. This is a separate part here, and it all just kind of lines up and fits seamlessly. So shout out to DynaPerformance for making a great part, and I am excited to get the dash in now. Okay, so I'm not actually going to install this yet. Going to talk to DynaPerformance to see if there's anything they can do about making a full surface wrap thing, because I don't like this gap here. So we're either going to have to wrap it behind it and make it look like gloss black, or maybe even the accents of this would be pretty cool behind there. But we're not going to be installing this piece just yet, because I want to do something different. I don't want all of that exposed. Very obvious that it's not a carbon fiber piece if that's the case. So yeah, kind of bummed about that, but we're going to get all the other little pieces installed currently, and I'm going to show you how that looks. All right, guys, so we have all the parts installed that I'm going to install in today's video. We've got the 3 dash vent covers, and then we have the full console kit here. I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looks. Kind of bummed that that other piece didn't work out. Definitely not installing that if I don't have some sort of you know, background behind it to make it not look like it's just stuck on there. So let's flip the camera around and show you guys what we got going on. Okay, so full center console done, and then we have these pieces which are also carbon fiber. So I'm excited about these. These look good. These absolutely look great. Matches the steering wheel. Looks good, nice accent there. Happy about those. However, not happy about this piece, which basically just sticks in there and doesn't fill in the gaps. So DynaPerformance, this is the only piece that I'm unhappy with within the install. We do need this piece over here to be done as well. Possibly door handles and those and those. So those will come in later videos. But very good parts for someone who doesn't want to take out all of their pieces of their interior, send them away, have them gone for 2, 3, 4 weeks maybe to get them back, and then have them put in. This is a very good alternative for somebody who's just looking for something that looks really nice and is a very easy install, and you get to keep all your parts in your car. All right, guys, so open, honest, transparent. I got these parts sent to me by DynaPerformance for free of charge to review, and I am sponsored by them now, so I'm going to give a bias review on how I feel about these parts. Center console looks great. I wish that it would have covered just a little bit more of the surface, but it looks awesome as the way it is. So I'm very happy with the entire center console with these parts. But the dash could have some help. It honestly could. Needs to be bigger, needs to be more surface covering, needs to look like it's not just a sticker of carbon fibers slapped on the dash with just hideous gaps in between everything. Everything else that I've worked with here has gone great, and I'm thoroughly impressed, and I'm happy with how it came. The shipping wasn't too long. The order process didn't take very long at all. Dealing with the company, they are kind of slow in their DM, guys. They're kind of slow in their DMs. I'm sure that there are a lot of people that are messaging them, so bear with them, be patient. They will get back to you. But overall, I am happy with these parts, and I will be putting more in my interior. They just need to come out with, or if they do come out with larger parts that are more surface covering, they need to be sending those out instead of sending out pieces that do not cover the whole thing and then have to have another kit sent out. They need to be more thorough of like, do you want a full surface kit or do you want half of your surface kit? Because that's how it feels, like I got a half a surface kit. But I am happy with this. It has made a very big difference in the appearance of the Challenger. So kudos to you guys, DynaPerformance, for making some good parts. Just make sure that you guys are doing a little bit more surface, because people who are buying this kind of stuff want the entire surface of their dash and their interior and everything covered. And you guys have seen the Instagrams. You guys know. Hellcat Enforcer, 707 Destroyer. We got 3 Pedal Life. We got lots of guys that are just making their cars look absolutely gorgeous over the last year. And we want our cars to look our best. So we don't want just something that has been kind of looking like half-assed, just stuck on our car. So DynaPerformance, take notes. We want better, more surface covering pieces. That's just how it's going to have to be, or we're going to be sending them back, or we're not going to be happy with the product that we get. But yeah, huge shout out to DynaPerformance for sending me out these parts. I'm happy. Overall, I'm happy. So I feel like if I would have spent the money that they sent me out in these parts, that I would have gotten my money's worth. So there is that. Thank you guys for sending me out the parts and letting me review it, making this video, and helping people understand what they're getting when they buy from DynaPerformance. All right, one last look at the interior before I end out this video. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm thoroughly happy, thoroughly impressed with how everything came out. Hopefully you guys are too. I seriously need to move. I'm being infested by children. I need to move. I'm just kidding, guys, but they are loud every now and then. That's probably why I don't have kids. Loud, you lose sleep, they're a lot of money. And I just like to be a big kid and buy stuff like this. So yeah, if you guys are brand new to the channel and you guys have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, checking out some other videos. I'd appreciate if you guys would do so. I love you guys very much for the constant support that you guys give to this channel. We're approaching 5 million views on the channel, so thank you guys for that. We're also approaching 41,000 subscribers, so you guys are awesome. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I would love to hit 100,000 subscribers with the VW Golf R that we have here and the Scat Pack Challenger. I'm hoping to be able to do that. There's a lot coming for that car out there. So if you guys are new, like I said, please consider subscribing, checking out some other videos, hitting that like button as well, commenting down below, doing all the things that a good viewer, subscriber should be doing. Because I think about only 8% of people that view my videos are actually subscribed. So what are you guys doing? Like, what are you doing? Just kidding, guys. I love you, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, DynaPerformance, again for sending out these parts. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, everybody.